When we talk about Volvo, the word safety is almost synonymous with the brand name. From the invention of the three-point seatbelt to the introduction of side impact protection, Volvo has spent decades protecting lives. However, with the world premiere of the all-new, fully electric Volvo EX60, the Swedish automaker is doing more than just meeting current safety standards. It is reinventing them for the digital age. The EX60 isn't just designed to survive a crash. It is engineered with a deep, AI-driven understanding of the human factor, aiming for a future where collisions don't happen in the first place. A world first: the multi-adaptive safety belt. The most significant safety breakthrough in the EX60 is the introduction of the world's first multi-adaptive safety belt. While the seatbelt has remained largely unchanged for 60 years, Volvo has transformed it into a smart, proactive device. Standard seatbelts typically use a one-size-fits-all force setting during a collision. In contrast, the EX60 uses a suite of interior and exterior sensors to analyze the unique profile of every passenger, taking into account their height, weight, body shape, and even their current seating posture. In the event of an accident, the system chooses from 11 different load-limiting profiles in a fraction of a second. For instance, a larger occupant in a high-speed crash will receive a higher belt tension to prevent head injury, while a smaller passenger in a less severe impact will receive a gentler setting to protect the ribcage. It is personalized protection that adapts to the person, not just the car. At the heart of the EX60's safety ecosystem lies Hugin Core, the car's central nervous system powered by NVIDIA Drive technology. This supercomputer doesn't just run the infotainment. It acts as a silent sentinel that never blinks. By processing billions of data points from the car's LiDAR, cameras, and radars, Hugin Core creates a high-definition, 360-degree virtual map of the environment. What makes this special is that it understands context. It can differentiate between a pedestrian about to step into the road and a cyclist safely riding alongside. If the driver is distracted or impaired, the driver understanding system uses interior infrared cameras to monitor eye patterns and steering behavior. If it detects a problem, the car can gently nudge the driver back to attention or, in extreme cases, safely bring the vehicle to a complete stop and call for help. Safety at Volvo is built from the ground up, and the EX60 utilizes advanced mega casting in its production. By casting large sections of the rear floor as a single piece of aluminum, Volvo has significantly increased the structural rigidity of the SUV while reducing weight. The battery pack itself is integrated into the chassis, a cell-to-body design, meaning the battery acts as a protective shield, absorbing energy during a side impact. This creates a safe space around the occupants that is stronger than any previous mid-size SUV. Furthermore, because the EX60 is a software-defined vehicle, its safety features will only get better over time. Through over-the-air OTA updates, Volvo can refine the collision avoidance algorithms and the adaptive seatbelt logic based on real-world data collected from the entire global fleet. The Volvo EX60 is more than just a new electric SUV. It is a testament to Volvo's vision that no one should be seriously injured or killed in a new Volvo car. By combining physical structural strength with cutting-edge AI and the revolutionary multi-adaptive seatbelt, Volvo has once again set a benchmark that the rest of the industry will be chasing for years to come. In the EX60, safety isn't an optional extra. It's the soul of the machine.